Hey there! Welcome back to the Financial Freedom Guide channel. Today we're going to share with you 10 strategies that really work to save money quickly. If you're looking for ways to stash more cash and achieve financial freedom, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Saving money might seem tough, but with the right strategies, you can see big results in no time. So let's get straight to the point and find out how you can start saving right now. Strategy 1. Track your spending. First things first, track your spending. It sounds basic, but you'd be surprised how many people don't know where their money goes each month. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet to keep tabs on your expenses. Track every dollar that comes in and goes out. Once you know where your money is going, you can make smarter decisions about where to cut back. For example, you might find that you're spending more on coffee shops than you realized. By cutting back on small daily expenses, you can save a significant amount over time. Strategy 2. Create a budget. Next up, create a budget. This is your game plan for spending and saving. Start by listing all your income sources and then all your expenses. Break it down into categories like groceries, entertainment, bills, and savings. Allocate a specific amount to each category and stick to it. Using the envelope system can be helpful. This is where you put cash into envelopes for each spending category. Once an envelope is empty, you can't spend any more in that category for the month. Sticking to a budget might be challenging at first, but it's a powerful tool to keep your finances in check and ensure you're saving money consistently. Strategy 3. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Do you really need all those streaming services? Go through your subscriptions and cut the ones you don't use regularly. Services like Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, and various subscription boxes can add up quickly. Review your bank statements or use a subscription tracking app to see exactly what you're paying for each month. Cancel the subscriptions that are not essential or that you rarely use. You'll be amazed at how much you can save each month by ditching just a couple of these. Plus, many streaming services offer free trials or monthly deals, so you can switch between them instead of paying for multiple subscriptions at once. This not only saves you money, but also reduces the clutter of services you don't fully utilize. Strategy 4. Cook at home. Dining out can be a major money drain. Instead of eating out or ordering takeout, try cooking at home more often. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also healthier and can be a fun way to try new recipes. Plan your meals ahead of time to avoid last-minute takeout orders. Make a grocery list and stick to it to avoid impulse buys. Cooking at home doesn't mean you have to give up your favorite dishes. Look for copycat recipes online of your favorite restaurant meals. You'll save money and maybe even discover a new favorite dish you can make yourself. Additionally, cooking in bulk and meal prepping can save you both time and money, giving you ready-to-eat meals throughout the week. Strategy 5. Shop smart. When you do need to shop, be smart about it. Look for sales, use coupons, and consider buying in bulk. Apps like Honey and Rakuten can help you find the best deals and cashback offers. Always compare prices before making a purchase. Sometimes buying in bulk can save you money, especially on non-perishable items. Additionally, consider shopping at discount stores or thrift shops for clothing and household items. You'd be surprised at the quality items you can find for a fraction of the cost. Shopping smart means planning your purchases and not falling for every marketing gimmick that comes your way. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Strategy 6. Automate your savings. Set it and forget it. Automate your savings by setting up a direct transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. Decide on a specific amount you want to save and schedule the transfer for the day after you get paid. This way, you're saving money without even thinking about it. You can also use apps like Digit or Acorns that round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference. Automating your savings takes the guesswork and discipline out of the process, making it much easier to consistently save over time. It's a great way to ensure you're building your savings without the temptation to spend. Strategy 7. Reduce energy costs. Cutting down on your energy usage can save you big bucks. Simple changes like turning off lights when you're not using them, unplugging electronics, and adjusting your thermostat can make a significant difference. Invest in energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs. Consider using a programmable thermostat to optimize your heating and cooling. Seal any drafts in your home to prevent heat loss in the winter and keep it cooler in the summer. By being mindful of your energy consumption, you can lower your utility bills and save money every month. Little changes in your daily habits can lead to substantial savings over time. Strategy 8. Use public transportation. Driving everywhere can get expensive. If you have access to public transportation, use it. It's often cheaper than maintaining a car, paying for gas, insurance, and parking. Plus, many cities offer discounts on monthly transit passes. If public transportation isn't an option, consider carpooling with coworkers or friends to share the cost of commuting. Alternatively, you could walk or bike to nearby destinations, saving money and getting some exercise at the same time. Reducing your reliance on a car can significantly cut your monthly expenses and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Strategy 9. Sell unwanted items. Got stuff you don't use? Sell it. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace are great for turning your unwanted items into cash. Go through your home and gather items you no longer need or use. This could include clothes, electronics, furniture, or even old toys. Take clear, attractive photos and write detailed descriptions to increase your chances of selling. Not only will you make some extra money, but you'll also declutter your home. It's a win-win situation. Plus, the process of selling items can make you more conscious of future purchases, helping you avoid buying things you don't really need. Strategy 10. Review your insurance. Finally, review your insurance policies. Shop around to make sure you're getting the best rates on everything from car insurance to homeowners insurance. Sometimes a little research can lead to big savings. Contact multiple insurance providers and get quotes for the same coverage. You might find that switching providers can save you a significant amount each year. Additionally, ask your current provider about any discounts or bundles they offer. Regularly reviewing and updating your insurance can help you avoid overpaying and ensure you have the coverage that best fits your needs. So there you have it, 10 strategies to help you save money quickly. Implementing even a few of these tips can make a big difference in your financial health. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom. Before you go, we have something special just for you. Check out our exclusive ebook, Mastering Your Finances, the Ultimate Business Success Guide. This comprehensive resource is packed with effective strategies and valuable knowledge to help you take full control of your finances and achieve outstanding success in business. Investing in this guide could be the breakthrough you've been looking for. Click the link in the description to grab your copy today and embark on your journey to financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Remember, financial freedom is closer than you think. See you next time, and until then, keep pushing towards financial independence and success.